the last video, we got the magneto all sorted out, so now we need to cover up the valve train. I got this set that was on this engine when I got it. Looks like a pretty decent set of valve covers. Just a little dirty, so first step, get them cleaned up, then we'll cut them in half. Got them mostly cleaned off. This one's a little rusty on the outside. Pretty good on the inside. Except for a spot right there that I'll need to weld up. This one's good on the outside, a little rusty on the inside, but no problem. So I'm going to start cutting. This is about 6.5 across here. Valve cover's about 10, so I need to cut about 3.5 inches out of the middle. That will be right inside of this lump there, so I'll cut it, give me some extra, put them together, and then belt sand them down to where they match and fit, and then we can weld. Took the first hunk out of the middle. Still got about, probably 3/4 inch overlap, so I'll start working them back. Make sure I don't take off too much. After a little back and forth trimming, we've got a nice looking small valve cover. Just need to clean off the workbench next door and weld it up. Right, the first bit of welding's done. Made it a little bigger there as a reinforcement. Definitely not because I blew a hole in it. I'll clean that up a little bit and we'll start on the next one. Well, ain't that just a slick little valve cover? Let's make another one, then we can work on welding up the hold downs. Hey, valve cover number 2 is all welded up. It's down there cooling. While that's cooling, we'll be working on this hold down piece. Hit it with the wire wheel, so we'll cut it off here and about there, then we'll take it over and match it up, see where we need to weld it. Yeah, put them on there, marked where they crossed over. We'll go trim them down a little more, see if we can't get them to meet up. I need to trim those down just a little more, then we can weld them together. Got this all welded together, so let's see if it holds it on there. I like it. It'll definitely be a little tighter once there's a gasket in there, but it's not. Pretty tight right now. Alright, just got to finish up the second side. There is side 2 on there looking good. So that's all for this video. Next video, we'll start building the intake tubes because I've got all the parts in. They just came in yesterday. The piping to build the lower part of the intake, the flange for the carburetor, and the tubing wrap to go around for the oil cooler / carb heat. So we can get all that fabricated. I've also got the 2 sink traps that you use to go up to the carburetor and the hose. That all came from a master car. And tomorrow, I should be getting the pipe to build the exhaust. So I've got a lot of stuff left to do, but man, it's getting a lot closer. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.